friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my 252 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. On this channel, I upload videos every day on DIY, crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to grow, our crown which our God gave us. And so in today's video, I'm super excited because you know what, I'm going to show you how to make rooibos concentrated tea for hair growth. Yes, so I've done actually a video on rooibos tea for hair growth, yeah, healthy body, and for the skin. I'll link that video in the description box below, and I've done quite a number of videos on hairsprays. I'm going to link all the videos on hairsprays so that you can check them out. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more, and make sure that you click that notification bell so that every time we post, you will be notified. Rooibos tea is a native to South Africa and has been around for centuries. It belongs to the legumes family, and its botanical name is Asparus linearis. It's also called the red bush because of its broom-like looks, and is found in the mountains close to the South Africa's Cape of Good Hope. So rooibos tea is actually caffeine free, zero calories, with tannins, low tannins tea that has no oxalic acid. Its mineral content too is rich with calcium, iron, copper, potassium, zinc, magnesium, alpha hydroxy acid, and magnesium. Being present is in substantial amount. It's endowed with 50% more antioxidant than in green tea, and these include northagen and aspartame. So now I've got into actually sachets, because this is a concentrated one. So we want it to be so concentrated, and we've poured in our hot water, and I'm just like steeping it in the warm water so that it can be well infused. Rooibos tea prevents hair loss due to its active ingredients that help remove dead skin cells that block hair follicles and prevent hair from growing. Rooibos contains minerals such as zinc, calcium, copper, and potassium, which are essential for hair growth. The polyphenols, which are antioxidants contained in rooibos, promote shiny and soft hair. Rooibos, also known as red bush, is actually not a tea, but as an herb from rooibos plant, cultivated, of course, like I earlier said, on in South Africa. So the high dose of copper assists to prevent premature graying of hair, while anti-inflammatory agents of tea can help soothe the skin and fight dandruff. Rooibos also is good for your hair. Like treating your hair to the occasional rooibos spray or rinse will keep your hair soft and shine, bouncy, because it acts as a balanced nutrient for your hair. So you can even like preserve your tea or just store it in the fridge for 1 week, and it will be okay. You can use it as a rinse to seal in the moisture in between washes. You can spray it on your edges and on your scalp because it promotes a healthy scalp, prevents dandruff, it prevents early graying, and it will promote hair growth. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more. So at this point, I'm going to apply it. Of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle. I'm in a challenge of 6 months of growing my medium natural hair to a certain length. So like I'm aiming for 3 inches in 6 months. Yeah, so now you can actually spray tribulary throughout your hair strands, without manipulating your hair, as you can see. And for you like to see the results, you have to be very consistent and you have to be very patient. Yes. So if you have used rooibos tea for your hair, comment in the section below. Or if you are going to try out this rooibos tea for hair growth, promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, and also helps your scalp so that your hair can grow in a good environment. You can comment in the section below. So at this point, I'm going in with clove oil just to seal in the moisture, or you can use whatever oil you have. I'll link the video in the description box below on how you can make infused clove oil. So clove oil is a good oil because it will prevent hair loss. It will prevent your hair from breaking. It will actually seal in the moisture without weighing down your hair. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends. And you can actually comment in the section below what kind of videos would want us to cover, and I will be glad to do your videos. Yes, and so like whenever I put in a protective hairstyle, I leave it on for 1 month, then I undo it. So actually the twists have lasted for 3 weeks. Yes, so we are going in the 4th week, meaning that we are going to wash our hair next week. Yes, so are you going to make a Rooibos tea for your hair? If your hair is thinning out, comment in the section below. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.